Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here, and in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about how to set up so-called Eslint for our project, which is for our React project, right? So, and why do we need Eslint, and in general what is this Eslint is, because I'm sure some of you guys have no idea, or maybe have never heard about Eslint at all, right? So guys, first let's go to the official Eslint website. So guys, straight away you can see here Eslint is an open source JavaScript linting utility and originally created blah blah blah. So, and another important sentence, I guess, it's static. The code linting is a type of static analysis that's frequently used to find problematic patterns or code that doesn't adhere to certain style guidelines. So guys, this part is the most important for us at the moment. So basically this tool, when we going to set it up, or when we're done with setting it up, this tool would allow us to analyze the starting of the code in order to follow the style guidance, right? And we're going to set up or to use a certain style guides, and these style guides, they were developed by Airbnb company. So guys, let's move to an implementation, and later on we going to discuss more about Eslint anyway. Okay, let's go to our project, guys. And the first thing, guys, I'm going to create a Eslint configuration, and just follow me, guys. Please also, guys, don't just watch this tutorial, try to follow me, stick with coding and just practice. It's all about practice, guys. Keep practicing. Alright, first thing, I'm going to add this file, and it's once again it's configuration eslint rc.js. Here we go, and inside here I'm going to define modules.export. I think it's singular. Exports and equal to objects, and an object I'm going to define extension that we're going to use, and again we're going to use Airbnb as a style guidance. Extends Airbnb, and then plugins that we're going to use for Eslint, and it's going to be an array of plugins, right? And basically these plugins, it's going to be npm packages or libraries that we're going to use, and we have to install them, guys. Alright, first it's called React, second JSX-A11Y, and the last one for now, import. And pretty much it with this configuration file, guys. Okay, let's move on. The second part is I'm going to go here and I'm going to define a new script, and guys, I'm going to call it lint, and it's going to be for actual Eslint, guys. Eslint source comma, sorry, we need comma here. So guys, the next step is I would like to install this Airbnb no, library that we're going to use. And the first thing, guys, I would like to go to here. This is the website, right, of this npm package, where we can find information about this plugin that we're going to use. Oh, sorry, npm package that we're going to use is called eslint-config-airbnb, as you can see. So guys, and if you run this script, and it's going to give us information about what kind of dependencies we need to install overall in order to make eslint work. So guys, you can see eslint itself, and this is the actual packages, right? And guys, this package hooks, it's like, I know this is a default package kind of, or not default, this package, it's required for hooks, and we haven't discussed about hooks yet, but hooks, they kind of inure to React itself, and this, guys, it's another topic anyway. So for now, let's focus on setting up this eslint, guys. So the next step, guys, as now we can see what kind of stuff we have to install. In order to install this stuff, we can run this script. Just copy it and paste it. Here we go, guys, it's installed. And also you can see straight away in the npm, in your package.json, all these dev dependencies are here, and everything was installed, right? Cool. So guys, now obviously now everything is installed, right? We can try to run the actual eslint. In order to do that, guys, as you remember, we have a script, right? We can say eslint src. Let's try to run it. Cool. Yeah, as you can see, it ran, and it gave us all these errors, guys. And obviously, again, now it works, right? Like now eslint is working. It's already set. It was set up, right? So now it's functional. And I'm going to show you guys what all these issues are all about. Let's jump, for example, here first, right? So you can see everything is highlighted with red, right? And if you are hovering over this red stuff, you can see unnecessary quoted property ID, blah blah blah. And the beauty is, now if you click here and you see it's argued, eslint is arguing, right? It's essentially eslint. You can see it's already working, right? So, and here you can fix all auto-flexible problems, right? So basically, if you click here, you're going to fix everything automatically. That's the beauty, guys. And again, it's following this Airbnb standards or styling guidance. So anyway, let's go step by step. For instance, let's start from the top, which is back resource. Just hovering over the code, fix all flexible. Here we go. Here we already fixed it. And it's showing you like the spacing itself. It does like spacing, right? It's also going to fix automatically. That's the beauty, guys, of that. And another thing, guys, if you just like in the future going like to make a mistake, or if it doesn't like your styling, it's still going to argue, right, about that. It's like obviously it's going to show you straight away, so it's going to work in the future while we're going to implement the future stuff, which is pretty cool. It's basically it's saving a lot of time, guys, and you're following the standards, which is always a nice thing to follow some standards, right? And this, guys, I'm going to keep it as it is for now. It's nothing too crazy here, and it's not the styling actually, right? It's it's related to validation, but I'm going to keep it as it is for now, guys. Let's just fix all these styling issues for now, like all the spacing stuff, space characters. Cool. Sidebar. I think in the majority of the files, it's going to be like all the issues going to be related to spacing. That's my suspicion. Here we go. It's even placed semicolon, like, you know. Remember, if I just skip it here, it's going to argue we need semicolon. Here we go. Cool. Let's move it back or return it. Just follow me, guys, or you can fix it yourself already. I'm sure like you already got it. Okay, I think I already fixed it here. I think, guys, I'm not going to fix all the files till then because it's just unnecessary. It's like repetitive work, guys. I would just recommend you just fix it yourself, or if you already use the code that was fixed in the branch that I'm using, then guys, you already got it, so obviously you got the idea, guys. And also one more thing, guys, if now I will run this script again, it's not going to be as many errors as it was before, right? So it's now obviously arguing just about the stuff that haven't been fixed yet. And yeah, pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 files, right? So obviously we're almost done, right? And yeah, but you know, it's unnecessary to fix all of them because, you know, just kind of waste of time. It's the same process, guys. It just goes file by file and like fixing everything automatically. Okay, guys, pretty cool stuff, and I hope you get it, guys, and I hope it makes a lot of sense to you. Because, guys, this tool, Eslint, I definitely recommend you to use it in your everyday software development. And guys, it's just a time saver, and you can, you know, follow the standards, and you basically you're going to optimize your code, right? Or sorry, the styling of your code, right? Which is really important, guys. Otherwise, it's going to be a mishmash, and later on when you know your platform or your application would explode or would become huge, it's going to just be super unreadable if you're not following any particular styles, guys. So it's really important to understand it. I guess guys, I'm going to wrap up this tutorial because we obviously done with setting it up. We're setting up Eslint, and thank you very much, guys, for watching it. I hope it was really useful for you. Keep watching my tutorial, guys, and if you like this tutorial, guys, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, guys. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.